Hello everyone and welcome back to our data science blogathon. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of exploratory data analysis and how we can automate this crucial step by using Python libraries. So let's get started. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA for short, is a vital technique in data exploration. It allows us to understand various aspects of our data, identifying patterns, and uncovering valuable insights. So, understanding this before diving into machine learning or deep learning tasks, EDA is very essential step. Data scientists use EDA procedures to explore and summarize datasets using visualization techniques. This enables them to find patterns, detect inconsistencies, verify assumptions, and test hypotheses. With growing volume of data in digital age, manual EDA can become time-consuming and hinder the process of data science projects. That's where the need of Auto EDA rises. Organizations can enhance efficiency, productivity, and decision-making capability by automating this process. Okay, so we'll see a business problem here. Imagine a company in data science domain is trying to analyze large dataset manually. It can be daunting and time-consuming task. But by automating EDA, they can significantly reduce the time spent on data analysis and focus on more crucial tasks. So objective here is to minimize time consumed to do manual EDA. The constraints, that is limitations, is compatibility issues. Compatibility issues here means that some of the Auto EDA library are not compatible when you run it on Spider or Jupyter or Colab. Here the success criteria, we have three success criteria, that is business success criteria, economic success criteria, and ML success criteria. So in business success criteria, reducing manual EDA time. The economic success criteria is reducing the cost up to 50%, and the ML success criteria is higher the accuracy should be up to 90%. Okay, now let's explore some of the powerful Python libraries that can do Auto EDA. So first we'll see how the manual EDA works, and then we'll go into the Auto EDA part. So I'll just give you a glance that how manual EDA works. Okay, to demonstrate this we are using Titanic dataset. First we'll load the dataset into our Python environment. So here we are loading the dataset into the Python environment. Now that we have loaded the dataset, let's perform some basic steps. Okay, so as you can see here, I have calculated mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, range, skewness, kurtosis. Then we are doing the typecasting. We have also cleaned the data. We have also handled duplicates. We have removed the duplicates. We have found out if there are any missing values. Then we have used imputation techniques to fill those missing values. Some of the imputation techniques are mean imputation, median imputation, random imputation. We have also seen that if there are any outliers in the data set. If there are any outliers, then we have performed some of the basic outlier treatments. Then we have done box plot, etc. These are the basic steps that you usually do in the manual EDA process. So now we will look into Auto EDA libraries. Okay, the library we are discussing here is Pandas profiling. Okay, this is the Auto EDA library. So Pandas profiling is another fantastic library that generates detailed reports with statistics and visualization, giving a deeper understanding into our data. Now comes the exciting part. Okay, so here we'll install the Python library by giving pip install pandas profiling. So we'll install the pandas profiling here. As you can see, we have already installed it. Then we'll import the pandas as PD and then import pandas profiling from pandas library. Then we are loading the dataset again. So df is where we store our dataset. Then we'll perform the pandas profiling on the dataset, that is df. Then we'll save the report in the HTML form. So look at that, guys. With a few lines of code, we have comprehensive reports with statistic visualization and valuable insights in our dataset. I'll show you the pandas profiling. So we'll get our output something like this through a few lines of code. See, this is the overview. These are the variable. It is shown in numerical as well as in graphical form. This is the correlations. This is the missing values. This is the data. Okay. So in few lines of code, we are able to get the same results that we did using the manual EDA process. And there you have it, folks. Exploratory data analysis is a crucial step in any data science project, and automating it with Python library saves us time and enhances our productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a share with fellow enthusiasts. And until next time, happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave the suggestions in comment section below, and see you in the next video.